Thank you, Arkurchi. Welcome to our currency factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how dollar banknotes are made, step by step. Step by step.
These cotton-based paper rolls are the foundation of our currency, undergoing rigorous inspection upon arrival before moving to the presses.
The paper is engineered to last for years in circulation.
Thickness variance is holding steady at 0.05 millimeters.
Good. Let's increase the tension slightly to refine the texture consistency.
Every detail is designed to prevent counterfeiting.
Every dollar is checked before release.
All clear back here? Close the door. And that's how dollar banknotes are made. Poted Ichelten, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.